In today's world, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to enhance the value, energy efficiency, and aesthetics of their homes. One of the most impactful upgrades they can make is installing new windows. Among the numerous companies offering window installation services, Alliance Homes Inc. has distinguished itself as a leader in the field. With a commitment to exceptional craftsmanship, customer satisfaction, and cutting-edge technology, Alliance Homes Inc. stands out as a top choice for homeowners seeking reliable window installation. Expertise and experience. What sets Alliance Homes Inc. apart is its vast experience and expertise in the window installation industry. Having served countless homeowners over the years, the company has honed its skills and knowledge to ensure the best results for every project. The team at Alliance Homes Inc. consists of certified professionals who are well-versed in all types of window installations, whether it be replacement windows, new construction installations, or custom solutions. Their wealth of experience means that they can tackle even the most challenging window installation projects with ease. The company's decades of operation have allowed them to build a deep understanding of what customers need, from the initial consultation to the final installation. This ensures that every project is handled with the utmost care and attention to detail. High-quality product. Alliance Homes Inc. prides itself on using only the highest quality materials for their window installations. The company partners with top-tier manufacturers to offer a wide selection of window styles and materials, including vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and composite windows. By offering a variety of options, Alliance Homes Inc. allows homeowners to choose the perfect window that aligns with their aesthetic preferences, budget, and energy efficiency goals. The windows used by Alliance Homes Inc. are designed for durability, weather resistance, and enhanced energy efficiency. By incorporating advanced technologies such as low-E glass coatings, argon gas insulation, and multi-chambered frames, the windows they install not only look great but also provide long-term value by reducing energy bills and enhancing the comfort of your home. Customer-centric approach. Alliance Homes Inc. stands out because of its customer-centric approach to every job. From the moment you reach out to them for a consultation, their team is focused on understanding your unique needs and preferences. They listen carefully to your goals, whether you're seeking to boost your home's curb appeal, reduce energy consumption, or improve overall comfort. The company understands that window installation is a significant investment, and they strive to make the process as seamless and stress-free as possible. Alliance Homes Inc. provides free consultations and estimates, helping you make an informed decision without any pressure. Their team is always transparent about the costs and timelines involved, ensuring there are no surprises along the way. In addition to their exceptional service, Alliance Homes Inc. is known for its clear communication and responsiveness. They are always available to answer any questions or concerns you may have before, during, and after the installation process, making sure that you feel supported every step of the way. Timely and efficient installation. Another key factor that sets Alliance Homes Inc. apart is its dedication to completing projects on time and within budget. Homeowners value companies that respect their time and work efficiently to minimize disruption. Alliance Homes Inc.'s team is known for its punctuality and professionalism, ensuring that installations are completed on schedule without compromising the quality of work. Their installers are highly skilled and trained to work quickly while maintaining the highest standards of craftsmanship. This means that your windows will be installed promptly and correctly, with minimal inconvenience to you and your family. Post-installation support and warranty. Alliance Homes Inc. doesn't just install your windows and leave. They offer excellent post-installation support to ensure your continued satisfaction. Their comprehensive warranty ensures that homeowners are protected in the event of any issues with the windows or installation. This peace of mind is an essential part of their customer-first approach, showing that they are committed to building long-term relationships with their clients. If any problems arise after installation, the team at Alliance Homes Inc. is quick to respond and resolve the issue, offering ongoing support that exceeds customer expectations. Conclusion. When it comes to window installation, Alliance Homes Inc. has set itself apart through a combination of expertise, high-quality products, exceptional customer service, and reliable post-installation support. Their commitment to excellence makes them a standout choice for homeowners seeking a trusted partner in upgrading their windows. Whether you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, or overall comfort, Alliance Homes Inc. is the company to trust for all your window installation needs.